What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Since today was such a beautiful day out, I decided to take the car out and wash it. And every time I try to cold start the car, it's always in the garage. And I've been told that, you know, the garage echoes the sound and it's not a true cold start, you know, all kinds of other fun stuff. So I figured the car's outside, time to try to cold start it. But then the question comes up, how long does it have to be since it was started for it to constitute a cold start? Plus, the fact that it's 70-some degrees outside, is it really a cold start? So, with that in mind, I am going to go ahead and start it, but who knows how loud this is going to be. This is all for fun, so let's see what happens. Sound that I've been talking about. I think I need to take the car into the shop and have them check the exhaust valves because something is rattling underneath of there. But it was pretty loud, so kudos for the cold start.